The exhaust valve components are in direct contact with exhaust gases, so the carbon buildup will be substantial. If you have the time, soak all the parts overnight in brake cleaner and degreaser. Scrub every component thoroughly with a soft bristle brush. If your valve components are as bad as mine, you can use a steel brush on a drill for the big stuff, followed by a light sanding with a Dremel. However, in order to avoid gouging or uneven surfaces, I will need to follow the Dremel with fine grit sandpaper. Visually inspect every part for obvious signs of uneven wear or damage. Inspect the valve bearings for smooth operation. If they snag or feel rough, they need to be replaced. Measure the valve and flap shafts at their contact points. Both shafts should measure no less than 0.196 inches. Clean the governor and pinion shaft. Make sure the rack and pinion shaft grooves are straight and mesh smoothly.